To create passport size photo, go to Photoshop and open the image. Select crop tool and set the crop width 3.5 cm and crop height 4.5 cm and resolution 300 pixels per inch and crop the image. Now select Pen tool. In Pen tool options, select Path. Draw the path. After drawing the path, press Ctrl plus Enter for path selection. Go to Select option and click Inverse. Now set the background color and press Ctrl plus Delete to color the image background. Go to File option and click New to create a blank page. Choose the page size A4. Select Move tool and click on Passport photo and drag it to the blank page. Now press Alt button and drag images to make copies of the passport photo. Press Ctrl plus E to merge layers. If number of passport photo layer is 5, then press Ctrl and simultaneously press E 5 times. Now press Alt button and drag down the images to make copies of grouped photos.